My name's Kim. I'm a dental hygienist, have a practice up in Queensland. And as an owner of a small business, I find that I'm pretty well responsible for most of the stuff that's going on in there. Social media has always been a bit of a challenge because things change so frequently. So it's staying up to date and bits and pieces. So I find myself here tonight listening to the wonderful Carolyn that I'd heard a couple of years ago as we started the practice. I'm a little bit more savvy now, and so I was motivated to come to the course tonight to kind of hone my skills and have a look at the things where it all wasn't quite so frightening and take it down to the next level. I think it's a really important thing for all of us actually to understand social media. I've learned some insightful things and quite frightening things today. Looking at what social media, the amount of information they have about us all. So yeah, I would recommend this course for anybody actually. If you're doing any marketing in the practice, or you've got any staff that you're going to put into the marketing position, it would be really, really beneficial, well worth the investment. So I'd like to say thank you very much to My Dental Marketing. It's been awesome.